As promised, I am back with the install of the 4C Kinky textured hair. This is a 13x4 lace frontal HD wig with the 4C baby hairs. So I've already laid down 2 coats of the glue, already did the cap, and I used the ghost bond. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this started. I like to have my videos at least 10 minutes or less, because if y'all are like I am, I do not like to watch drawn out videos. So now we're just gonna go in with our scissors. We're just gonna cut this extra lace from around the ear. Be careful not to cut your ear off. Okay. Same thing to this side. A little bit more lace on this side than it was on the other side. So just make sure you cut it where it can fit around your ear. There you go. All right, now we're just gonna take our hair tie and just tie the lace down for about 15 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna cut this extra lace off now. I'm actually just gonna use my eyebrow arch razor to cut this off. And I'm sure y'all seen this done 1,000 times. This ain't nothing no different than any other YouTuber has done. Just don't want to cut it in a straight motion. You want to kind of go jagged. And this razor gives me a nice jagged edge. So this is what I like to use instead of scissors. Just wanna take it, toss it. All right, we got the lace all cut off. So for these little pieces, I don't know if y'all can see them, like this, it's sticking up. This right here, got like a piece right here that didn't get molded. And over here, we're just gonna go back in with our ghost bond. And I'm gonna take a little bit on the back of my rat tail comb, just like a little dot. And we're just gonna go right up underneath this lace. And everywhere we see lace lifting, this is what we're gonna do. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I re-glued down all the little tabs that was sticking up. And this is what we have as of now. So, to get that white kind of cast from the lace, and you cutting the lace, I'm gonna go in with this Ruby Kiss Matte Powder Foundation. It's in the color Cognac. So I'm gonna go in with that. It looks kind of dark, but once you put it on, it's really not that dark. So this is the 4C baby hair lace frontal wig. So I just wanted to show y'all where the baby hairs are. They're normally curly, but because I washed and bleached this unit, they're really not as curly as they were. But once I put the foam on there, they actually curl back up. Not sure if I want to use those. I might just go ahead and slick them down. But let me go ahead and create my middle part and put it actually in the center, because that's not in the center at all. It's a little off. Once I create the center part, I'm going to go in with the wax stick, and I'm going to hit it with the hot comb, and we're going to press that out, and I'll be back to show y'all what this wig is really hitting for. Y'all stay tuned. You want to get enough wax around there because you want a slayed laid install. You know, I've seen a lot of tutorials of these girls wearing this 4C wig with the baby hairs. A lot of them use the baby hairs, but I've never seen any of them press out the hair. They like it natural, and like the natural 4C hair. I'm guessing, you know, that's the point of getting the 4C hairline, baby hairs, is so it can look natural. But I just gotta press mine out. I just feel like it's gonna give me a more sleeker finish. After I finish pressing this out, we can go ahead and style some of these baby hairs real quick and get this hair moussed down with the Lotta Body foam and the rest of that Nairobi that I had left from yesterday. But we're gonna make it happen. So I'm gonna finish doing this and we're gonna come back. All right, so we're moving on to these baby hairs now. I'm just gonna pull some of this out. Yeah, not that much. That's a little too damn much. Baby hairs are small, y'all. Y'all want them big dumbass baby hairs. I can't stand people that put them big dumbass baby hairs on their head. But like I say, your preference is your preference. Do what the hell you do. And I'm gonna do what the hell I do. But I like my shit to be little. You know, natural. Petite. See, that's enough for me. That's enough. Let's go over here. Get the same amount, pull that out. And while my flat iron is still hot a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and just run that down like that. So it'll lay. Alright, now I sectioned off my baby hairs and the parts that I want slicked down. I'm just gonna go back in with this flat iron and press everything out the way. And I will be using some of that Nairobi and the Got To Be Glue gel to lay these baby hairs. I couldn't get it out. Shit. Trying to use both. I'm gonna use both of those to lay my baby hairs. So I like a soft look, but I like it to kind of be firm too at the same time. So I'm gonna use both of those to lay these down. So when I come back, next we're gonna go ahead and cut these baby hairs up, and we're gonna slick them down. Y'all stay tuned. So I already applied some Nairobi foam going in. Got some of this Got To Be Glue on the back of my hand. We're just gonna be going in and using that to see if we could mold these hairs down. All right, y'all, we got the baby hairs the way I wanted them. So now I'm about to get these curls popping, get them nice and juicy. We're gonna go in with some of this, the rest of this Nairobi foam, and just squirt that on the hair. We're gonna run that all the way down to the tail ends of the hair. Definitely get them ends, don't forget the ends, y'all. We need them ends to be popping just like the rest of the hair. This hair, like, it is giving me every bit of 200 density. I mean, I order 180 density, and I am saying they might have made a mistake, because this is full all the way to the end. And it feels full, it feels heavy. So let's just get these curls popping. All right, let's get this other side popping. Well, I created my own, but I didn't leave the curly 4C baby hairs as the unit came. I kind of like mine's a little bit more structured than that. But this wig is giving. This wig is giving. Let me let y'all see. Hopefully y'all can see the hair. It's very full from top to bottom. All right, so you can be finished with the look, but I want to go in and clean up the part from the dye. So I'm going to go in with the Salon Graphic High Beams Intense spray. This is in the color black. And I'm going to try to just clean up my part real quick. I'm just going to place the comb and just spray. I normally don't do this often now. Hopefully I don't mess it up. So I did do a little mistake right there, but we about to clean that up fine with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And we just gonna drag that right down this part. Let's set that up in there. Everybody make mistakes, right? But you can always clean them up. That's the beauty in makeup and hair and fashion and beauty. You don't have to leave it the way it is. If it's a mistake, clean that damn thing up. All right, so I hope y'all like this video. This is the finished look. This is it. If y'all do, then make sure y'all like this video, thumbs it up, and drop a comment down in the comment section below.